The ban on imports of Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2 models imposed by the US International Trade Commission has been temporarily paused by the United States Court of Appeals. The tech giant had filed an emergency request on Tuesday, Boxing Day, for the US Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit to halt the ban. That means the devices can now go back on sale for a short while longer in the United States. Let's rewind to the 18th of December, 2023. Apple Inc. announces the suspension of sales for its latest smartwatches, the Series 9 and Ultra 2. The cause? A brewing patent dispute with Masimo Corp, a medical monitoring technology company. Fast forward to the 21st of December, Apple had preemptively removed the disputed smartwatches from its online store and announces they'll vanish from physical stores by Christmas Eve. The International Trade Commission, or ITC, had ruled that Apple has infringed on Masimo's patents related to blood oxygen monitoring, a key feature in the new smartwatches. The Office of the United States Trade Representative Ambassador Katherine Tai declined to overrule the US ITC's decision. Earlier, Apple spokesperson Nikki Rothberg said, quote, "We strongly disagree with the US ITC decision and resulting exclusion order and are taking all measures to return Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2 to customers in the US as soon as possible." Apple is also working on software changes to how the Apple Watch measures and reports oxygen saturation. Meanwhile, Masimo seems satisfied with the verdict and is open to a settlement. The ruling leaves Apple with a bitter pill to swallow, potentially costing the tech giant between $300 to $400 million in lost revenue. But Apple is not going down without a fight. The tech giant filed an urgent plea to the US Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit seeking a suspension of the ban. The company urged the Federal Circuit to temporarily stop the ban, at least until the US Customs and Border Protection evaluates whether the modified editions of its watches violate Masimo's patents. Additionally, it requested the court to put the ban on hold while it reviews Apple's appeal. The Customs Authority is scheduled to announce its decision on January 12th. With the appeal court victory, Apple can now temporarily resume sales of its flagship smartwatches. "We're thrilled to return the full Apple Watch lineup to customers in time for the new year," Apple said in a statement. As for the fitness and health-conscious users, the primary dispute centers around pulse oximetry, a technology that uses an optical sensor to detect blood flow. This feature is particularly useful for fitness enthusiasts as it can provide insights into their health and workout intensity. So it's a good news for those who are looking forward to the advanced health tracking features of the smartwatches, as Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2, including the blood oxygen feature, will become available for purchase again in the United States immediately. Most versions of Apple's smartwatches have included the disputed blood oxygen feature since 2020. The SE model, a less expensive model, which doesn't include the blood oxygen sensor, remains available for purchase. The potential losses for Apple is in the hundreds of millions. The final verdict is still under review, and the future of the Apple Watch Series 9 remains uncertain. This ongoing saga serves as a stark reminder of the complex interplay between technology, health, and the law. Please click the like and subscribe buttons to join our community and get notified of more updates in this developing story.